Hello.
Hello, welcome.
I need a new phone.
Sure, please come this way.
Which phone is popular?
This model is very popular.
How much is this phone?
It is $300.
Can I see it?
Of course. Here you are.
The screen is nice.
Yes, it is very clear.
Does it have a good camera?
Yes, the camera is excellent. Let me show you how it works.
How much storage does it have?
It has 128 gigabytes.
Does it come with a charger?
Yes, it does.
I also need a phone case.
We have many colors.
I like the black one.
Good choice.
Do you have screen protectors?
Yes, we do.
Can you put it on my phone?
Yes, I can.
How long is the warranty?
It is 1 year.
Can I return it if there is a problem?
Yes, within 30 days.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Everything looks great.
I'm happy to hear that. Have a nice day.
You too.